25 years ago, the highly esteemed cardiologist Dr. Baxter D. Montgomery, based in Houston, Texas, USA, became a vegan. With a family history of diabetes that increased his own risk, Dr. Montgomery personally experienced the lasting health benefits of a pure diet free of all animal products. He then founded a program that would help countless others, likewise to help themselves. Supreme Master Television first had a chance to meet Dr. Montgomery in 2009, when he was featured on our program, Healthy Living.
Over the years in treating patients in my private practice, I realized that treating with medications, the procedures we did, the surgeries we performed, essentially did not control the underlying condition. I noticed that my patients, despite the increasing technology and the medications, continue to get sicker over time. The more I researched, looked at the literature, I would see data out suggesting that we needed to consume more plant-based foods to prevent cancer. I started applying this to many of my patients. I started seeing remarkable results.
Combining his expertise and training in medicine, biochemistry, and nutrition, Dr. Baxter Montgomery founded the Houston Cardiac Association. The center provides the finest in cardiovascular medical care, with a special focus on nutritional healing through a whole foods, plant-based diet. Dr. Baxter Montgomery and the Houston Cardiac Association has since witnessed many seriously ill patients recover and gain optimal health. Their stories are no less than miraculous.
One patient, she was wheeled into the office in the exam room by her husband. And she had quadruple bypass surgery. She was on 21 medications. She had a history of diabetes. She was on insulin. She had arthritis. She was on an oxygen tank. Was just discharged from the hospital. She had had some bladder infection and some other issues. So I asked her and her husband, I said, well, do you have a juicer? And lo and behold, they did. So I said, I want you to juice fruits, vegetables, etc. for the next 10 days. Nothing crosses her lips other than the raw juices you make through your juicer. Come back and see me in the office. It came back in 10 days. She was walking, talking, laughing, no wheelchair, no oxygen, etc.
I had been diagnosed with osteoporosis, and he recommended that I stop eating meat and dairy and go on raw foods. And as a result of that, the latest bone scan shows that my condition has reversed.
Success stories such as these could fill volumes at the Houston Cardiac Association Wellness Program, which is continuously supervised and enhanced by Dr. Baxter Montgomery. For his compassionate service and leadership in promoting the plant-based diet, Dr. Montgomery was honored with the Shining World Hero Award from Supreme Master Ching Hai.
Well, since you last interviewed us, we've had more individuals come through the program, and again, we continue to express the message of the excellence of plant-based nutrition. Some individuals who are not ill come through the program. They become more well, more fit, if you will. Many individuals who are ill with chronic illnesses on a number of medications are able to remove most, if not all, of their medications. So we continue to have the success that we discussed earlier.
The Wellness Program offers a year-long curriculum for individuals to meet experts and one another to share health-sustaining information. A professional chef works with the patients to assist them with new food preparation techniques and recipes. In addition, the participants also go on a guided trip to a supermarket to learn hands-on how to find nutritionally excellent, delicious foods. Concerned about the health problems frequently faced by former professional athletes, Dr. Montgomery specially invited former U.S. National Football League athletes to join the program. Supreme Master Television met with some of these sports heroes just days after they had begun their vegan diet.
I'm Santana Dotson, a former NFL football player, played at the Green Bay Packers and also the Tampa Bay Buccaneers for 11 years. As a professional athlete, we do a lot of damage to our bodies physically on the outside and the insides. Dr. Montgomery has invited myself and a few former athletes into the program that are really concerned about doing better with our bodies. And he's really helped me get in line the past week or so. And I feel a lot stronger and feel good about the program.
This is my first full week of the program and headed into week 2 for me. It's exciting to be a part of it. The first week, I lost almost 14 pounds, which is a big number.
The weight loss progress they make is sustained. The blood pressure improvements, the medication reduction, all of those improvements we've seen has sustained over time as they continue the lifestyle, because we emphasize the lifestyle change.
When we return, Dr. Montgomery explains why a vegan diet is the best for one's health. For saving lives through promoting plant-based living, he also receives the Shining World Hero Award from Supreme Master Ching Hai. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Welcome back to today's program honoring the Shining World Hero Award recipient, Dr. Baxter Montgomery.
Plant-based proteins are superior to animal flesh, and they are complete.
Dr. Montgomery is a firm believer in nutritional excellence for both preventing and reversing serious illnesses.
In my experience as a practicing physician, I see patients on a regular basis. My suspicion is that at least 95% of the chronic illnesses that we deal with today are directly linked to our poor diets. We, in medicine, treat our patients with medications and surgical and other procedures to treat the side effects of the bad food we eat. We need to cut to the problem at its source and remove the bad food. The body cures itself, the body heals itself, but the body needs the basic materials to do that. And so plant-based nutrition is the optimal foods for that.
Dr. Montgomery also shares his vision of an ideal food pyramid.
The foundation probably would be lots of leafy greens, kale, chard, spinach. You'd probably have a lot of fruits also near the base. Apples, oranges, berries, bananas, and the like. Higher up you might get some of the beans, various legumes, for the most part in a sprouted form. Above that, some of the whole grains, rice, either cooked, steamed, or sprouted. But for the most part you have the foundation with greens, then fruits, and then say sprouted legumes or beans, and work your way up to the grains after that. Again, all in a minimally processed form.
The wellness program begins with a 4-week nutritional boot camp session with only fresh, nutrient-rich greens, fruits, and vegetables. Motivated by his knowledgeable presentations, the majority of the individuals are able to commit to this cleansing regime and are glad they did it.
We're seeing somewhere on the order of about 95+% individuals who see definite improvement in either weight loss, reduction in inches, improvement in their blood pressure, improvements in their energy level, all of these things. So we have documented success rate.
Equally remarkable is what happens at the end of just a few weeks into the program.
Individuals that come and go through our program, they continue to maintain their lifestyle of consuming either a fully plant-based diet or a predominantly plant-based diet.
How do you like the program?
The program is excellent. My weight was 171 pounds. My cholesterol was 365.
And now, how is it?
My cholesterol dropped 140 points. My weight is 158 as of today. I was in 5 medications for cholesterol, triglycerides, diabetes, and acid reflux. And I'm not taking any medications anymore.
Are you going to continue with this diet?
I plan to have it for life.
Hi, my name is Ricardo McDonald. I am roughly 40 years old. Played 6 years with the Cincinnati Bengals, 2 years with the Chicago Bears, and 2 years with the Denver Broncos. Well, I just completed my 6th day of the program, and I must say, I feel like 22, going on 40.
And how is your diet right now?
For the first time, I must say, I'm a vegetarian. I am doing the 0 to 1 diet with Dr. Montgomery. The diet basically consists of all fruits and vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, carrots. It's all natural, from the earth, all plant-based derived diet. No beef, no pork, no chicken, no fish, and I must say, I don't miss meat. This is where I want my health to be, that I've made it the #1 priority, that I want to go total vegan and total green to be able to have my body be optimal at 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 years.
My patients and our wellness clients are doing well, and I'm motivated by their encouragement, motivated by their successes overall. And that's what motivates me to move forward.
For his diligent and fruitful work in motivating and empowering others to adopt the rejuvenating plant-based diet, Supreme Master Ching Hai honored Dr. Baxter Montgomery with the Shining World Hero Award.
With compliments and gratitude for selfless dedication, heartful compassion, and enlightened service to humanity. Thank you.
In addition to the award and letter of appreciation from Supreme Master Ching Hai, Dr. Montgomery also received the specially designed Hero Jacket and Supreme Master Ching Hai's music CDs and lecture DVDs. Further gifts include Supreme Master Ching Hai's #1 international best-selling books, The Dogs in My Life and The Birds in My Life, as well as the poetry collection, The Dream of a Butterfly, and the lecture compilation, The Realization of Health, Returning to the Natural and Righteous Way of Living.
I don't think I've ever been called a hero before, but thank you very much. We appreciate the recognition of our operation. We have a dedicated staff, a group who's before you, as well as other HCA staff, and I stand on the shoulder of many giants. Many people have come before me, and many people I work with. On behalf of Houston Cardiac Association, I'd like to thank Supreme Master for recognizing us and also helping us promote our program worldwide. Thank you very much.
You have our heartfelt gratitude and admiration, Dr. Montgomery, for your wonderful work in saving lives and promoting optimal welfare with the vegan diet. We wish you, your staff, and your clients continued success helping to create a healthier, happier world. Gracious viewers, thank you for your company on this program. Coming up next is Words of Wisdom after Noteworthy News, here on Supreme Master Television. May your life be blessed with vitality, happiness, and love.